Mining now, almost everyone can think of Bitcoin. Current global Bitcoin hash rate, the United States, can be described as riding a dust accounting for more than 35% of the world. So what exactly is mining? Can drive countless people crazy scrambling to participate in it. Mining, let's earn Bitcoins. According to the current value of Bitcoin Cash, if you can mine the Bitcoin, earn a lot of money. Want to understand the connection between mining and Bitcoin? Just need to clear. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer virtual digital currency and Bitcoin transaction information. It needs to be broadcast to the entire Bitcoin network. Once a payment transaction exists, naturally, there is a link of bookkeeping. Because Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer transfer, it means that the Bitcoin transaction system is decentralized. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer virtual digital currency and Bitcoin transaction information. It needs to be broadcast to the entire Bitcoin network. Once a payment transaction exists, naturally, there is a link of bookkeeping. Because Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer transfer, it means that the Bitcoin transaction system is decentralized. A blockchain is also formed because of the interlinked nature. This ledger will never disappear. So now there are two problems. Why be a bookkeeper? Who can be a bookkeeper? In fact, it is still driven by interests. An account will be recorded for each successful absenteeism. The system will reward Bitcoins. At the beginning, each block is packed. The reward is 50 Bitcoins. It is now worth more than 10 million yuan. But Satoshi Nakamoto, the father of Bitcoin, it is said at the beginning, the rewards for bookkeeping will be halved every 4 years. Thus the initial reward of 50 Bitcoins. The final reward amount can be calculated. That is to say, the circulation will be constant at around 21 million pieces. Such a great reward. No wonder it drives people crazy. But not everyone can be a bookkeeper. Satoshi Nakamoto proposed the concept of proof of work at the beginning of the design. In fact, it is a difficult math problem. Solve the problem and you can grab the right to bookkeeping. You can also get rewards. Here's the connection between mining and Bitcoin. What OnestopMining is creating: a stable mining machine, hosting site, a sales team, all over the world. It is a one-stop mining solution service provider. Achievement in life requires hard work. There is no shortcut. In addition to having the ability to see and master the winning era, keep challenging yourself. More courage to move forward. We focus on providing high-quality and efficient mining solutions. Whether you need new and second-hand mining machines, power supplies, mining machine accessories, or operation, maintenance, mine equipment, mine design, mine hosting services, OnestopMining will provide you with the most professional and timely response. If you are interested, welcome to follow our Amazon store.